Every iPhone begins with carefully sourced raw materials. Materials travel across the world to reach advanced manufacturing facilities. Every shipment is carefully received and prepared. Inspection ensures only high-quality components enter production.
Every component is cleaned before assembly. Advanced automation organizes every precision component. Each electronic system is prepared with microscopic accuracy.
Now the smartphone begins to take shape.
The core electronics are assembled with incredible precision. Battery installation begins.
Every major component is installed automatically.
The display completes the physical assembly. Software and hardware come together as one device. Every iPhone undergoes rigorous quality testing.
Each device is carefully packaged for customers.
Finished products are prepared for worldwide distribution.
From factory to customers around the world, every iPhone follows a remarkable manufacturing journey.